Beowulf, the all-terrain utility vehicle from BAE Systems, will make its North American debut next week at the National Guard Association of the United States Symposium in Baltimore, Maryland. Beowulf is a dual-body amphibious vehicle that is an unarmed variant of the company's BVS-10 combat vehicle, and it's designed to go where normal emergency vehicles just can't hack it. The thing travels up to 1,000 kilometers, even when climbing 45-degree slopes, swimming through water, or traversing snow. It has a payload capacity of 8 tons and built-in flexibility that allows for special roll cabins to carry a combination of personnel and cargo. And it's a tracked vehicle that is designed for military applications, humanitarian aid and disaster relief, firefighting, and even rescue operations. And the thing is just really cool looking. Tiger Claw! So this thing right here, this guy, that is a $1 million measuring tool. It's fancy. It's an Acon 3D arena platform that combines a structured light 3D scanning system with wireless probing and optical tracking technology. This system is installed at Faraday Future, the company behind the FF-01 concept car that looks heavily influenced by the Tron reboot to Nowhere. It's the first of its kind in the US and cost Faraday almost $1 million to integrate into its vehicle design studio. It can scan with an accuracy of 25 microns, and the company says its largest margin of error is about half the width of a human hair. The system has 16 high-resolution cameras hanging above the scan zone that is large enough to fit a full-size SUV. Now, the camera array acts as a positioning system, tracking a ground-level mobile scanner as a specialist maneuvers it through the arena to capture detailed scans from every angle possible. An infrared-sensitive reference field built into the arena's floor emulates the collection of those circular, high-contrast stickers that were usually placed all around the object's surface during scanning. Well, according to the company, like a clay car model would require more than 200 of these stickers, and I mean, this alone, the fact that you no longer need stickers, saves about 3 hours per vehicle model scan. I suppose you really need to pull out all the stops if you're gonna make this thing a reality. It's just so cool. Like, cooler than the Beowulf thing. And that's hard, because Beowulf is cool. Tiger Claw! Alright, here we go. Final story. In an effort to celebrate the launch of the Qashqai crossover, Nissan commissioned the world's largest sculpture created with 3D pens. 3D doodlers, to be exact. But this is no ordinary doodle. See this? This is an ordinary doodle.
Oh yeah, that's a ninja bird.
Nissan doodled a full-sized replica of the new Qashqai Black Edition. Using 13.8 kilometers of 3D printed strands of filament, a team led by artist Grace Dupre completed the sculpture in 3 weeks, and it took 800 man-hours to complete. Whereas Nissan says that it can knock out about 58 Qashqais every hour at its plant. So, I don't know, fun fact. The 3Doodler Create 3D pen works by heating solid plastic to 230 degrees C and extruding it through a 0.7mm wide nozzle as it cools. Now, each 10-inch strand of Doodler material yields 100 inches of plastic, and they typically come in packs of 25 at about $9.99 per pack. So, to get 13.8 kilometers of material, it would take 218 packs. And when you consider a typical cost associated with 3D printing, a little over $2,000 doesn't sound that bad for a likely viral marketing campaign. But then again, I suppose you have that team of artists, like a world-class artist, and something tells me they didn't do this one for free. I'm David Manti. This is Engineering by Design.